Swamiji. One of my close friends committed suicide. After that, she started appearing in my dreams. She wanted me to go with her. I used to feel like someone was knocking on my door. This caused a lot of suicidal thoughts and fears in me. Swamiji, could you please talk about this?
All the people who commit suicide are not bad people. Sometimes good people also commit suicide. Sensitive people also commit suicide. Someone who doesn't have an instinct to hurt others will also not harm anybody after committing suicide. But if they have an instinct to hurt others, then they will continue to harm people. And what happens is we get scared. Try to understand this. Let us suppose your very close friend died of any cause, either an accident or suicide. If the two of you had a good friendship and love, then even after committing suicide, her soul will come near you, but not to harm you in any way. She only comes near you, but we get scared. A person who does not have a cruel soul does not want to harm anyone. But what happens is, if they knock on the door or if they come in our dreams, we get scared. If somebody knocks on your doors while you are sleeping, you will get scared. It is natural. I would like to tell everybody present here and those who are watching us on Zoom and will watch in the coming days.
सुसाइड जस्तो गल्ती कहिले कसैले नगरोस्.
No one should ever commit a mistake like suicide. Suicide does not end your miseries. Why do people commit suicide? Most of those who commit suicide are sensitive people. Cruel people don't commit suicide. Generally, people who commit suicide are not cruel. So you don't have to do much. Whenever you have free time, come to Osho Tapovan. I don't tell anyone to leave their studies and come here. You should not hamper your work just to come here. So whenever you can get time off from your work, come here frequently. I just want to repeat what Bhagwan used to tell me frequently. We all go to our Guru only because of our miseries, only because of the problems we are facing in life. I also had a lot of problems in my life. Everybody who went to Bhagwan had some kind of problem. And we used to cry and howl in front of him that how can we be free from our miseries? Then Bhagwan used to say, just hang around me. He used to say it in English, just hang around me and everything will be fine. You don't have to do anything. Just don't leave me. Just hang around me. So we also didn't do anything. I also had a job here, so I couldn't always stay with Bhagwan. But whenever I got a chance, I used to immediately go and stay close to Bhagwan. Just from that, all of my miseries disappeared. Similarly, Tapovan will dissolve all of your fears. Just keep the trust and come here frequently. And whenever you feel like taking sannyas from deep inside of you, don't just take sannyas because I have said so. I tell everyone to take sannyas. Whenever the desire arises from deep within you to take sannyas, and when you feel a deep love and trust on Osho, then you should take sannyas. After taking sannyas, your fears will go away. And the instinct of committing suicide will never come to you. That will also go away. And if you don't take sannyas, whether you take sannyas or not, just hang around Tapovan. Come here regularly. Whenever you have time, come and meditate and attend a camp. Sometimes you can come just to visit. Spend your time here. I will repeat Bhagwan's own words. We all came on the right track just because of that. We were also very scared and had a lot of failures in life. There was a lot of misery in my life. I was also on the verge of committing suicide. I didn't see any way out of my misery other than death. But Bhagwan turned such a person into a joyful person. So don't worry at all. Just hang around Tapovan. Come frequently for meditation. Read Osho. Do the meditations at your home as much as possible. Always keep an Osho book with you. Listen to Osho's discourses. This is a great medicine. Listening to Osho is a great medicine. This will end all of your miseries.